Welcome back. I'm Jill with the carefreekitchen.com, and today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite easy no-bake Halloween treats. These are my mummy pretzels, and these are adorable, sweet, little salty treats that are perfect for your spooky holiday. We love to make them all throughout the month of October, and especially serve them at Halloween parties. And best of all, they only have 3 ingredients in it. Follow along and I will show you step by step how to make these cute little mummy pretzels. Okay, so for the ingredients, I'm using some Ghirardelli, just white chocolate melts, and this is 10 ounces, this package. And then I have some little googly eyes, and I just got this in the sprinkle section of my craft store. I have some pretzels, and these ones make like these really cute, nice little mummies. So these are perfect. And then I also, this is something that does help too, is I have this parchment paper, and I'm going to put it here on this cookie sheet too. There we go. And then there's one other thing. I like to have these on hand. These are just some icing, some piping bags, and they're disposable. So you can fill them up. You can put a piping tip in the bottom of this or just cut it really small there, and then it will drizzle out really nice. But this works really good for making that like mummy pattern on the pretzels. Okay, so for these pretzels to get started, I'm going to add about 2/3 of my little chocolate wafers into a bowl, and then I'm going to put it into the microwave. These chocolate wafers are not as temperamental as like chocolate chips even, so you can put them in the microwave for about 45 seconds, and then you're going to stir it. And if it's like pretty warm, I would just continue to stir it until all of the chocolate is melted. And if it is just like not quite warm enough, if it's not warmer than maybe like the temperature of your hand, then you probably want to put it back in the microwave, and you can put it back in for 20 to 30 seconds and then stir it again, and you can just repeat that until all of your chocolate is melted. Now I'm going to dip my little pretzels, and I like to just drop it into the chocolate, and then I like to use a fork and tamp it down a little bit, and then lift the pretzel up with the fork and then just shake it a little bit. And I also like to scrape it on the edge of the bowl as I'm like taking the pretzel off of the chocolate, and then I'm going to put it on a parchment lined baking sheet. Now you can put it on the baking sheet and then just don't move it and wait for it to harden. And I'm going to do this with all of my pretzels, and I'm going to do 1/3 of my chocolate. If I accidentally get it like a little bit too hot, you can put in the rest of that chocolate to cool it down, and then the heat from the chocolate will continue to melt the rest of those wafers. I like to do about 2/3 or maybe 3/4 of the chocolate first, and then add in the rest to cool it down just a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to continue to do this with the remaining pretzels until I want to leave just a little bit of chocolate left so that I can put it in a piping bag and then make like the mummy designs on it. We're just going to continue this process until we have about 1/3 of a cup of the melted chocolate left. That should be enough to do like the toppings on your like little mummy pretzels. You're going to just let those cool. It only takes about 10 or 15 minutes for the chocolate on these pretzels to harden. That should be plenty of time. You could even pop them in the fridge if you want, or a cold garage works great to speed up that timing. Okay, so after the chocolate has had a chance to set up on the pretzels, you're going to add the chocolate to a piping bag, and of course, I always talk about these piping bags. They are my favorite to have on hand. It's just so nice to have something that's disposable. It's so hard to wash out those reusable piping bags, so these work great. You can even put a little tip in them if you want, but for this, I just need like a little circle, so I'll just cut the tip off of that, like pretty little, and then I am going to like squeeze my bag to the end, twist it, and then I can easily drizzle all of the chocolate onto my pretzels. And I like to do kind of a crisscross pattern, a little bit random, so that it looks more like a mummy that's wrapped. I mean, these are just so cute and so festive. This is on like double time speed, so you don't have to watch me do it all so slowly. But one thing you do want to make note of though is you don't want this chocolate to set up completely until you put a little eyeball on it. If by chance it does set up completely, then you might need to add another little dot of chocolate to the backside of your eyeball to make it stick. Do the mummy wrapping for maybe 15 or 20 of the pretzels, and then go and put the eyeballs on before chocolate hardens. So these just make such a fun and cute treat. Okay, here are my cute little mummy pretzels. I mean, aren't they so adorable? Wouldn't these be so cute? Like put on like a little charcuterie board, like a spooky one for maybe a movie night in, or to take to a class party. These are so adorable and kids just love them. The little eyes are edible. As an adult, I don't usually eat them, but my kids do love them. They're kind of like the texture of maybe like a hard Smartie or something. So they are edible, but these just make such a fun and cute little spooky Halloween dessert. All right, take a look at these adorable little mini pretzels. I mean, isn't that cute? You've got the eyes and then like the little mummy mouth is out. Just the cutest. They are so fun on a holiday platter or a charcuterie board, snack watching your favorite Hocus Pocus movie. Now for a taste test. They're so delicious. I love that combination of like the smooth white chocolate and then the salty pretzel. It's just such a good combination. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Carefree Kitchen. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow me here, and I will show you even more fun little Halloween treats and desserts and recipes for all of your holiday meals. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow me here, and I'll show you all kinds of stuff. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.